this one in a testing video as well. I'm losing my voice. Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm of March. Boxycharm is a subscription box service. They offer 3 plans, the base, the premium and also the luxe. This one here is the base box and the theme of it is lucky. We're going to find out together if the products are matching the theme. If I'm lucky. The base box contains 5 products for $25. Usually the overall value is more than $100. Last month it was $200. Yes. I'm also waiting for my Boxycharm of April and I have watched so many spoilers. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Boxycharm and also what products you got in your March box, or even if you got your April's box. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials, and let's start unboxing. This month the box is bigger. And dun, dun, dun. And the first product that I have here is by the brand Maven Beauty. It is the rose water setting spray and it is a makeup setting spray. We have 100 milliliters and let's see the setting spray. Ooh, the packaging is very nice and vibrant. You can use this one after makeup application. That means, for example, now, oh, I can use it today. Okay, I'm gonna use it. This product is vegan and also it can last up to 24 months. So it says that the rose water is antioxidant. I have also used the Mario Badescu rose water setting spray. With that one I had some breakouts, so let's try this out. I'm gonna try it first on my hand. Oh, okay, I think the mist is not fine, but let's try it. It's time. Let's do this. My fan, it smells like rose water. I think I ate some. I think it gave a very light glow to my face, but I have also used a glow boosting primer today. I'm gonna use this one in a testing video as well. What is happening? I'm losing my voice. The mist in the beginning is not so great, but after a while it is very fine. Also it has a very light pleasant scent of rose water. It's not very strong. I'm not very sure if it looks nice on my face. I think I have some drops of product. And let's see the price of it. I'm very curious. Drum roll. And the price for this one is $22. For a setting spray, that's a lot. The next product is this beautiful palette here. This is the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette by Lime Crime. And this is what I have actually used on my eyes today. I just wanted to do a separate video for this palette. It looks gorgeous. The packaging is so pretty. In Greek, this is Aphrodite. Ta-da! And we also have a mirror, as you can see. So I have used all of the eyeshadows on my eyes and I'm gonna post my review in a couple of days. So stay tuned and click that notification bell. This one is made in USA and it is cruelty free and vegan. And this one is $38. I don't have any other products by this brand. I think there was a scandal about Lime Crime a couple of years ago, something with credit card charges. If you have any more information, let me know in the comments. The next product is something that I wanted to get so bad because I have tried it again. This one here is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming and hydrating, and it is by the brand Glow Recipe and we have 50 milliliters. So actually something that I think I haven't mentioned in my previous Boxycharm unboxings is that every month you get to choose one of the products, and this is a product that I chose. You have 3 choices. I don't remember what were the other choices, but I wanted to get this one in. Ta-da! Let me show you this beautiful cream. It is gorgeous. This is a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that can reset, replenish and seal in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. This is the only product that I have tried by this brand and it is so calming on the skin. I don't really like the banana scent in products, but this one is not very strong and it is a very natural scent of bananas. Oh my god, it smells so good. So good! This is also cruelty free. It says that you can use it every day, however it doesn't contain SPF. Basically I'm using this at the night. At the moment I don't have an SPF setting spray, so I could use it on top of moisturizers. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. This one retails for $49. I'm very happy that they had this for the choice because I love it. And let's continue with this beauty here. This one is by the brand The Beauty Crop, and it says Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. And this one is hydrating, plumping, and also nourishing. So we have 3 pairs, and each pair contains 6 grams of product. Okay, so I have never heard of this brand before, and this product is cruelty-free and vegan. So let's see how we have the pairs. Ooh, they are super cute. This is the regular eye mask, and you can use it underneath your eyes while you're doing your eye makeup maybe. This one is infused with avocado and green tea. The avocado can moisturize dry skin, and the green tea can depuff your eyes. We want that. So it says that this eye mask is ideal for dehydrated under eyes. I like that we have the full package with the 3 pairs instead of just 1. And the cost for this one is $18. And let's continue with this one here. This is by the brand Cab Cosmetics, and we have a lip oil. This one can last up to 12 months and it is cruelty free. So let's open it. This one is in the shade Honeydew, and I want to actually use it on my lips, and I'm going to remove what I have now. I had the Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics in the shade Tiramisu. Okay, I'm very curious about the scent of it. Oh my god, this is huge! Oh, it has a very light, sweet chemical scent. It looks delicious in the tube. The applicator has like a little curve, and it is hugging my lips while I'm applying the product. It's a very soft applicator, by the way. It has like a light chemical taste. I'm not very sure what it is. I like that it is not sticky. It gives a very healthy look to the lips, and it is very glossy. The taste is not so nice. I would prefer if we didn't have a taste. About the consistency, it is very light on the lips. Oops, something dropped. This one is a light peachy lip oil. On my lips you don't see the color, but in the swatches you can see that a little bit easier. And the price for the lip oil is $20. Pricey again. And the overall value is $137. That's great. I didn't like the lip oil so much. Also, the setting spray started reacting with my skin here. So I'm gonna give this box 4.5 stars. I think this is a great box. I just didn't like some products. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video, and you can watch next to this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!